Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to send a domestic wire transfer from Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you exactly how to send a wire transfer to another US bank account using Bluevine. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website. Wire transfers aren't available in the mobile app, so you got to use the website. Next, from the main menu, select Payments or Wire Transfer. Now just choose Send Domestic Wire. Now you're going to enter the recipient's details, including their account number, routing number, account number, and bank name. Of course, you're also going to need the account name. Now just double check for accuracy. Errors can delay or misdirect funds, so you got to make sure that the details are all correct. Next, type in the transfer amount and add a payment memo if needed. Next, you're going to review Bluevine's fees for domestic wires and then confirm that you're comfortable with the charges. If you are, click submit, and you may need to enter a security code that's sent to your email or your phone number. Once you enter those, you can monitor the transaction status in your dashboard. Domestic wires usually clear within the same day if submitted before the cutoff time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So if you liked it, hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.